Roger. Oh, perfect.
With your help, Tibet can be free.
We had a great response to our campaign to send direct messages to Jiabao. We had messages coming in from many different countries, including America, Canada, United Kingdom, other countries in Europe, India. We even had a couple of messages that came directly from Tibet and China, and some of those messages came in Tibetan. We actually projected some of the messages up there right now after translating the messages into English. So our hope is that the Chinese Premier Jiabao and the people of the world will see these messages and hear the voice of the Tibetan people